Adams, here is my gun. Take my AK and 16 and M1. But leave my Beretta, I have got more
You know, the Emily and Ninja Man interview is the most iconic, the most viewed, the most watched, the most reposted dancehall video in history. And in my opinion, it's the #1 dancehall interview ever. Yeah, man. But the crazy part is, we always watch over the same few clips. There's more to it. And that's what we're gonna watch tonight. Adams, Emily, and the Gargan, of course. Ninja Man, front teeth, gold teeth, blue tooth.
I want to give you a joke. I'd never know Mr. Adams. I never want to know Mr. Adams. And Mr. Adams, as him there on the phone now, I can tell you the truth where God love. Mr. Adams killed 2 of my friends them already, at least 3. Pele, George Brown, and the next one from Outer East. Yeah?
Therefore?
All 3 man them come from prison with me, and them tell us him see me 3 to 5 years ago. It was 3 years when I just come from prison. And him look him, 200 of them come down the Olympic way. And them point me out to him, and him like them say him to turn to me. Not even him turn to me, Mr. Pusey turn to me and say, let me tell you this. Leave the gunman company them alone. And tell my friend, say, don't go back to Waterhouse.
And since then you haven't contacted Mr. Adams?
I never talked to Mr. Adams that day. From them tell me that I'm saying Adams that him know me now. I will send me a feet.
So you've run away from Adams?
I don't really run away. I just walk out because let me tell you something, girlfriend. I am bad from I at 13, you know. From I 13, I live on the battlefield, you know. And I at 37 to 24th of this month. You feel after going through all them gunshots and all them things, they don't say. If alright, it's if them give an award for dead friend, me have the most, you know.
But let me come back to you. Mr. Adams?
Yes, and I want to make something clear. I'm told that a particular statement has also indicated that it is obvious that I rehearsed the song that I did. Let me tell Jamaica and make it clear. This is a song that I have been singing for the last 20 years at every church that I have gone to. When I was the commanding officer for St. Catherine, that was my theme song.
Hold on. Ninja Man say, if they will give out award for dead friend, and when I get it to the amount of dead friend he have, Adams have 3 friends them. Pele, somebody else, and 1 from East. And the Gargan say, yo, you know, take no threat from Mr. Adams. Adams that? Alright, I'm not asking back runner so. And this is the real bad man. Anyways, by the way, you can watch a full video on TVJ YouTube channel, so go and go check it out. The rest of the video, Adams explain what go down, and Emily asked Adams a few questions, so stick around and enjoy.
When I was the commanding officer for Kingston Eastern, that was my theme song at the churches. And anywhere I go, that is my theme song, because I think it's just relevant. It will soon be done. It will soon be done. All the troubles and trials, all the temptations, all the gun shooting, all the news carrying and the news mongering and everything will soon be done. And that is my philosophy on that whole observation. Nothing at all was rehearsed or staged.
Is there a rift, Mr. Adams, in the ranks of the police force? I find it quite absurd that the commissioner can come out at a press conference and say to the people of this country that it was staged. Police officers knew about what was going to happen on stage before it actually took place, and that you did very well holding the mic too. And you are now saying that you knew nothing of it. What is going on?
Well, I'm not negating what the commissioner said about policemen knew. I'm only talking for myself. I'm not talking if he said if the respectable commissioner says that policemen knew.
Yes.
Then obviously he knows what he's talking about. But I'm saying I don't know about any staging.
Yes. You have also said.
And neither was there any policeman who indicated to me that this would be taking place.
Yes. You have also said, Mr. Adams, that the reason you did not arrest Ninja Man had to do with the discretion on your part. It had nothing to do with the gun amnesty that you stated before. Is there a gun amnesty?
I don't know if I alluded to any gun amnesty. I'm only saying
You were
right?
quoted
And
in the
it has
paper.
happened, there is precedent. Many a person has handed in firearm to the police force. Persons, business people, ladies, gunmen themselves. Everybody, almost every category of person out there has handed in guns to the police force, and we have always accepted it. Only that we investigate to find out if they were involved in any serious crime,
Yes.
which would follow by prosecution or arrest. At the end of the day, if it were proven that it was not involved, then a warning to the individual and also
Yes.
a congratulatory remark to them is also prudent.
How far are you?
I will continue to accept firearm from anybody
Yes.
for any reason, as long as it is illegal.
I remember I was in high school when this happened, and it is Stinker Road. Adams and the commissioner, they didn't see eye to eye. And obviously in this interview, they didn't see eye to eye because the commissioner was saying that it was all staged, it was all planned. Which, when I watch a video, it might have been, but even Ninja Man said, even if it was staged or not, that's not the point. The point is we're asking the gunmen, the bad men, for handing them gun. We want a better Jamaica. But of course, you know how media stay. They want the story. They want to debunk Ninja as a real bad man, and for sure say Ninja was a fake and the gun was given to him by cops to hand back over. Even so, it was a sign for say, yo, no matter who you be, you can hand in a gun and let's make Jamaica a safe place.
For any reason, as long as it is illegal.
How far are you, Mr. Adams?
That one firearm could have saved 50 persons' life in this country.
How far are you with the investigations into this one?
Well, the man, I tell you, I was actually on the way to the Port Antonio police station to have this man arrested, but because you called me,
Yes.
I've stopped along the wayside to talk to you. I'm going now to have him arrested for illegal possession of firearm and ammunition and further investigation as to certain criminal activities. My intelligence has indicated that this individual has been involved in a Port Antonio area for the longest while.
In relation to Desmond Valentine's issue, how far are you with the investigation in that? Have you found out anything related to the gun and any spent shells or anything like that?
Not yet. It has been sent to the ballistic people, as I said, and they have a stockpile there now doing. But I've asked them to speed track it, fast track it for me.
Yes.
And I'm quite sure by about Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I should be able to report to the authorities.
Again, this is the #1 dancer interview in a history. It's not even close. Interview that's in second place, the way behind. So basically, Adams, where is my gun? Adams was on some work when he get a call. Adams just, the man the lucky, you know. Adams just find one most wanted man at Port Antonio at the time, arrest him, find him with gun. But anyways, if you don't like this a part of the video and want to say more in the comment section, like the video for me. Subscribe if you haven't, click the notification bell, and please share the video on your Facebook, man. I know some most of my viewers are mature people who don't love Facebook, so they share it on Facebook. Who don't love WhatsApp, share in our WhatsApp groups. Stay safe. God bless.